This is the actuator. This is the lock. If the shit ain't working, you gotta go in there and they be saying to, where's that? Hit this thing on the side. Boom. That will, oh, I ain't even unlock it now. Oh, well, I'm already unlocked, but boom, locked. Unlocked. But it's crazy because at first it wasn't even locking. Then there wasn't no videos on there. So, you know, I got to doing my thing. This how it look with a bunch of these torque screws in it. They talking about springs and shit. This the only video I saw this that I did, my video, when I did it in real life. Alright, let me get to the point. So take this off. Boom. You gotta go to another video, see how to pull this out the rear hatch, but that shit easy. Kinda. This right here won't even move that much. It's gonna be stuck down. Like, so I have to go around, you know, real nigga activities and pop it up. But I used two, so I had this side and this side just going around. Try to get in there as far as you can so you don't break this little ring. Get right up under there, push, 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 push. And then it just kind of clicked. When it clicked, it went from not doing nothing to, you know what I mean? That's what you want to see. And then as soon as that being down was fucking up the lock. Let me see. So this, I don't know what this has to do with that, like when it, I don't know, but that shit was making it not click. But yeah, just free that up, throw it back in. Don't forget to, when you take it out the truck, this is mounted, this way. So those 3 screws, before you take it out, circle them on the car so you can put it back and it'll close right, like from the factory. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.